So we are just framing out some of the internal walls now, just getting the studs up. We're having to just work around, there's been a bit of a delay on getting the steel posts in, so we're still having to work around the support, the temporary supports that we've put in, which is a real pain, but it's fine, you just get on with it. Suck it up, buttercup. What we've got here, the client has, with their architect, worked out the design they want for the shower. So they'll come into the shower this way, and that'll be the shower unit in there. So it's 1400 by 800 wide, so it's a nice decent size there. Rainfall shower up there. This little cutout here is going to be the sink, which is going to be a freestanding bowl on a nice oak counter, which will be really good. And then the toilet. And then the toilet will be over there. And so we've just laid out for the door here, like that. So it's good. It's good. It's been a bit of a slower day today, but that's fine. We've worked at such a speed for the last week and a bit, or week actually, that we're just taking a little bit slower today, making sure we're dead accurate on all the internal stuff now, because this is where plasterboard and finish really comes into play, and everything's dead square, level across, dead square and level across here, across this wall up to where the door's going to be. All of these are nice and square. We're laying them all out really carefully, and then we're going to get the final plate in here. The final steel plate is going to be running across here. It's going to be a flitch plate that runs all the way up into there, which will support this wall. So we've temporarily braced it, and obviously it's being held up into the ceiling as well. That's absolutely fine. We're just making sure we're not walking on it. You could stand on it, but we're not until we've got that flitch plate in there. So we've finished laying out the walls here for the bathroom. The door's going to have a little notch taken out of it because it's sloped ceiling. That's fine, the client wanted that, that's fine. They've put a little alcove in here on this side, so they can put some shelves and stacking some bits.
Thank you.
Cheers mate, catch up. And then this is the back of the shower, as we know. Then over on this side we are now laying out for the staircase to install the stairs. So this timber here, we're going to have a flitch plate in here, which is a steel plate sandwiched between two timbers. So this out one, we've got the tape on now. That's going to be one side, and we're going to have the steel plate on the next side, and then we're going to have the timber, another timber on the other side, and that'll be where the wall sits on for the staircase. We're going to lay it all out now. We'll show you, and then you'll see exactly what I mean. Right, so we have, let me step back a little so you can see a bit easier. We've got the wall in here for the, if I go this way, that's a bit easier, isn't it? We've got the wall for the stairs. So you'll walk down the stairs this way, turn left, and you'll go down this way there, like that. So that's that wall there. Very strong, and then we've got a nice big doorway here, but obviously on the inside of the door there's going to be a timber on the inside here, and there'll be a timber on the inside here. So we've got the architrave as well, 25mm, 33 inches for the door. So yeah, it's a nice big doorway, very nice, good size. All of these timbers are in, very, very strong and solid. So it's good. It's going well. Got the rubber roofers here this morning.
Yeah? Stronger. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah? Okay. There you go.
So we've just put this upstand on here, and this is basically to support the ridge tile, which is going to go over here. It's a vented ridge. You'll see that when the roofing guys come, but it also helps support the rubber, so the rubber can lap up here. Once the rubber's lapped up on here, if there's any driving rain, it'll just head back down that way because of this. So yeah, it's looking good. Right, I didn't film this because they were so busy working, they were doing it really quick, and we were in there doing our bits. But the rubber roof is now finished. Done a really good job, super tight and clean. It's a bit hard to see obviously because it's black, there's no contrast, so the camera's not really got a vast amount to look at. We'll try and come across here. You should have seen one of my videos before. If you haven't, I will post it up here of what of the rubber roof being done on my loft. Obviously this is the client's loft. Looks really nice, really good. They've done such a great job. And this is the detailing that I was showing you, where this fascia bit will come down and with a space underneath for us to put another fascia board here, and the tiles come up under here. So you have tiles here, fascia board here, and the fascia board will lap down onto the tile there like that. They've done a great job, really nice. One solid sheet of rubber the whole way across. No gaps, no cracks, no joints. It's just one continuous piece. And it looks really nice. Very good, very strong. And they were quick as well, really quick. So that's that done. And we're almost done in here. Well, we finished framing out this section, so that's the staircase running down that way. That's the wall in the hallway. That lines up perfectly with the wall the whole way along internally. So that's good. So the stairs come up and there's a winder that comes across, and then they're going to go into the room this way. And all this light here, there's going to be a big window from this side to this side, which is going to flood light into the hallway and into the bedroom when the doors open, if they want it open.